So good afternoon everybody, my name is Jitin and you are watching Gentleman's Approach. And topic for today is 7 accounts that you must follow on Instagram. So coming up first in this list is the news account. And yes, this is reality, and if we talk about this account, the news account, you have to follow all the news account to keep yourself up to date in this world. In fact, it will not only make you look responsible and practical towards life, but it will also show that you have certain goals to your life. And on the other hand, it will always provide you all the relevant information that you require, that is of your surroundings that you are living in, and in fact it will make you look knowledgeable. And now coming on to the second one, which is any account that will represent your hobby. So it can be anything. It can be food related videos, photography videos, traveling videos, and some of you also watch vlogs, and I know that, which is really cool. But in fact, some people follow it just to see videos and pictures. They don't try to learn from it, and that is a matter of concern. So now what I want you to do is make an account of all the things that you have learned by watching these videos. It doesn't matter which category you are in, but the thing that matters is you are learning something and it will be beneficial for you in the coming future. And now coming on to the third one, which is the account that spreads positivity. Yes, this is a must. And in fact, if we talk about other things, people always get stressed out because of other people saying and what other people think about them, which is very wrong. And to treat you well, you always have to follow at least one account on Instagram that will help you and that will make you think always positive things that are in your life. But note, I'm not talking about the people who always promote other people on their channel or Instagram handles. They are not the motivational speaker, but I'm talking about the two of them, and I'll mention them below so you can always follow them and keep yourself motivated. We always know and we all know the importance of fitness in our life. So that is why the fourth one is the person who will always motivate you for fitness. And yes, we are talking about fitness, and it is very important for each and every one of us to do at least some exercise at home that is beneficial for our body and for our life. Also, I know that people are going to the gym nowadays, and in fact there are very few people around who can always do workout when their trainers are not available and they are not around them. And now talking about the fifth one, which is an account of a teacher that will teach you some PD classes, that is also known as personality development classes. And yes, this is rightly said, there is no age to learn something, and if you want to learn something, you always have to follow people who are better than you and who can teach you some lessons that you don't know about. And in fact, if there is something that you think you can improve, you always can follow motivational speakers, i.e. the TED Talk speakers, and they will always teach you something or the other that will be beneficial for you in the coming future. And now coming on to the sixth one, a person who will always teach you how to cook. So maybe you have heard this one. It is a Hindi people saying, and in Indian culture it is always said, आदमी के दिल का रास्ता उसके पेट से होके जाता है. And yes, this is very important and is very true, because this quality is cherished by all of us, because we all appreciate people who are independent and who knows how to cook. Further, I also recommend you to follow at least one account that will help you, that will teach you on how to cook. So now comes to the seventh one, which is also the last one, and it says you always have to follow that person who will always inspire you, motivate you to do something in life. So I don't know if you are familiar with this or not, but each and every movie teaches you one lesson, and you always have to learn from it and apply it in the practical life. And from now onwards, you have to watch a movie and find out one thing that it teaches you and will help you throughout your life. Also, make sure to subscribe below and share this video to your friends and family. See you guys in the next one. Peace.